Hi, welcome to Schedule Academy. In this video, we will download, install, and configure Primavera P6 in our machine. Step 1. Download Primavera P6. Open Google and type eDelivery Oracle. Click on edelivery.oracle.com. Click on Sign In. Enter your login credentials if you already have an Oracle account. And if you're new to Oracle website, create a login account and then sign in. At this search pane, type Primavera P6. Select Primavera P6 Professional Project Management. DLP refers to download package. Let's select 18.0 version of P6. Add to cart. Click Checkout. Platforms, select your system bit. It is 64-bit in my machine. Click Continue. Read the terms and conditions. Finally, accept to the terms in this license. Click Continue. Close the feedback box. Unselect P6 documentation. Click Download. Select the folder you wish to save the download file. Install and configure. Select the downloaded zip file and extract its contents. Open the folder P6 Pro. Run the setup file. Select Typical. Click OK. Select Install. P6 setup box will pop up. Select Run Database Configuration and click OK. This will pop up Database Configuration box. From the drop-down of the driver type, select P6 Pro Standalone SQLite and click Next. From this selection, select Add a new standalone database and connection. Click Next. Here, you will need to create a login name and password. I prefer to keep login name as admin. Enter the new password twice and then click Next. You get an option to select if you want to load sample projects and data. I highly recommend not to select at this stage since our database will be clean and we can practice learn P6 effectively without any hindrance and ambiguity. Click Next. Click Finish. Let's open P6 software. Open this application. If you don't see this icon on the desktop, you will find it in your programs from Start menu. Select Database PMDB. Now enter the login credentials you selected during configuration of P6. Click Connect. Click OK. P6 application is open. First time when it's open, I want to make a default industry type. Click on Admin at the top bar. Select Admin Preferences. Select Industry. Select Engineering and Construction. Click Close. Click OK. In future videos, we will learn to plan, create, manage, and control projects using P6. Thanks for watching.
Subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get the latest updates.